Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for you, Scorpio? Messages for you, Scorpio. And what's going on. Seven of Cups. I think for some you have options. For some you are so confused right now. And Wheel of Fortune. Definitely things are turning out into your favor. Maybe you are not seeing, but in near future definitely things are turning out into your favor, Scorpio. So let's see, we're reading recent past. Knight of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Wands. There was a lot of communication between you and your person in recent past. And 10 of Pentacles with Knight of Pentacles. Someone coming back to you. Maybe for some they already approached you. For some they are in the journey. Maybe it is very slow. They are in very slow moving energy. Because Knight of Pentacles. And 10 of Pentacles, your money is very good. You are financially very stable. If not, in near future definitely you will get financial stability. Then present, High Priestess, the Fool and 10 of Cups. Present was very good because you are listening to your higher self, trusting your intuition. You are going with the flow, living in the present moment. And 10 of Cups, you are happy with your loved ones because 10 of Cups, happiness. For some, very rare, if you are in separation, you want brand new beginnings with your person and you want this happiness with your person. But I am seeing you are happy. Right now you are happy. In past there was communication. Now your higher guides are with you. You are listening to them, trusting your intuition and you are going with the flow. The Fool energy is very good energy. Then future, Page of Pentacles, 4 of Swords and King of Swords. But there was some message or text is coming. But you are undergoing some healing process. You are doing meditation a lot to heal yourself, especially past hurts. You want to heal yourself. And King of Swords. So you are very straightforward in nature. You are very honest in this connection. So in near future, you will thinking through your logical mind. Yes, you will become more straightforward and maybe sometime rough talks like straightforward. And you are thinking through your logical mind. You are using only your logical mind, not your heart. After the meditation, after once you heal yourself completely. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But lot of earth energy is here. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What's going between you and your person. So first we will see their feelings. Scorpio. So their feelings, Scorpio. Okay, Page of Cups. Seven of Wands. Aquarius. They won't give up on you. Yes, if you are in separation, they won't give up on you. If you are not in separation, this is on and off connection. Definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. If they hurt you in past, they want to say apology to you. For some, children's also involved in this connection. For some, it could be third party situation. But now your person want to say apology to you. And definitely they won't give up on this connection. They still have high hopes on this connection. and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius especially. Yeah, they still have high hopes on this connection, and I think they are also spiritually awakening. They are also listening to their inner voice. Let's see their intentions. Scorpio, Six of Wands, Justice, Wheel of Fortune, and Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they're ready to offer long-term commitment. They're ready to offer to take this relationship to next level. Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings. Six of Wands, they want success in this connection and they want second chances if you are in separation. And Justice, again, marriage. Definitely they really want to take this relationship to next level. Scorpio, it is very, very positive reading. And Wheel of Fortune, maybe they are waiting for right time to approach you. Things are turning out into their favor also. I think you both are mirroring each other. Definitely this person wants success in this connection and they want second chances. They want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, new beginnings, long-term commitment. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra or Aquarius, especially a Virgo. So let's pull cards from universe. Maybe, yeah, kids also involved in this connection. Definitely they want rebirth in this connection. For some, you both are in separation right now, no contact situation, but they still want rebirth in this connection. And Seven of Pentacles, waiting period. Maybe they are waiting for right time, divine timing, because Wheel of Fortune is also here. They are planning something big. And Scorpio, the person involved in this connection could be especially Scorpio, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo. Yeah, Virgo. Temperance, Sagittarius. I think you are taking your control back. You stand by your power, Scorpio. You are restoring balance within yourself. And now you are taking your control back. You are okay with or without this person because you know how to control your emotions now. And Knight of Wands. So this person is very, very attracted to you. This person is very passionate about you. Yes, there is a lot of attraction. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment, mutual card, and Ten of Wands. Yeah, right now maybe you both are feeling overburdened, but your both wishes are going to be granted. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Definitely your person will make action and they will come back for second chances if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they really want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Scorpio. Third party involved. Past person return. Player. Twin flames. Reunion is coming and mask. Yeah, for some your person may be a player or mask, wearing mask. They are not showing their emotions. They are telling you lies. And third party, for some third party involved. And past person return, reunion is coming. Yes, for some definitely reunion is coming. Past person is returning. For some you both are in twin flame journey. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. For you, Scorpio. Okay. You are good enough, full moon in Virgo. And the second, a personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message for you. You are good enough. Yes. Don't feel in that way. Because when you love yourself completely, when you respect yourself completely, then you will attract what you feel. Okay. A personal issue reaches resolution. Definitely, if you are facing any problem, especially in your personal life, definitely that problem will get solution very soon. So these are the messages for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.